Alright, you guys, so now we have this nifty trapezoid. A trapezoid is just a quadrilateral, which is a shape, a polygon with four sides. It's a quadrilateral that has two parallel sides. With this and this, these little arrow things means they're parallel. So these two lines are my parallel lines, and we have one transversal going through them here, and one going through them right there. So we have two transversals on this trapezoid. Okay, and that's going to help us to solve. Okay, so looking here, we want to solve for x and y. Okay, which I can't really solve the x with the y because you can't really solve when you have two variables. So I might need to group my y's together and then maybe somehow find a way to group x with something to help me solve. So let me trace over my y angles to see what shape we're getting. So I'm going to trace over this one right here and this one right here. What shape are they forming, you guys? They make the C or the U or the N kind of shape. So this is making your C, your U, or your N shape. Alright, and since I'm using the Y's over here, let me try the X in this. Let's see what shape these make. So I'm going to trace over the 2X and the angle right here, which that little box means 90 degrees. What shape do those make? They also make this shape. What kind of angle pairs make the C or the U or the N kind of shape? They are same side interior angles. Awesome, you guys. So same side interior angles. And same side interior angles are supplementary. And supplementary, what does that mean? Well, supplementary means they have to be 180. So basically to find the y's, if I add these bad boys up and set them equal to 180, I'll find y. And on this side, if I add these together and set them equal to 180, bam, you can get x. So I'm pretty much going to be doing the same thing twice, just one time with the x's and one time with the y's. Okay, which I'm going to draw a little divider right here, separate out my x's and y's. They don't get along right now. The demon cats are getting to them, you guys. So you better think about the x and y. They need your support right now. They are not getting along right now. All right, but anyway, so we have the y plus my y minus 50 should equal 180 by the time we get done. And also the same principle with the x's. So 2x plus the boxy, which is 90 degrees, should also give me 180. So 2x plus 90 degrees will also be 180 since they are supplementary. Yeah. Alright, so let's start solving. I'm going to solve for the y's first. So let me combine my two y's, which secretly there's a 1 in front of each of these y's. So 1y plus another 1y is 2y. Minus 50 equals 180. Alright, I need to get the y's by itself, so I need to move that 50 to the other side, which the way I'm going to do that is by adding 50 on both sides. Alright, negative 50 plus 50 cancels and turns to 0. 180 plus 50 will give me, let's see here, 230. Alright, so we have 2y equals 230. Alright, and the way we bring the 2 over, since it secretly is multiplying to my y, the way we bring it over is by dividing it. Alright, which 2 divided by 2 cancels and turns to 1. Okay, and 230 divided by 2 will give me, let's see here, 115. So y is 115 degrees. Yay! Alright, so now you guys, I just need to solve for x. So let me double check everything. 1, 1. Yes, that's correct. Okay, just making sure, you guys. Alright, so now let's solve for the x side. Okay, so I'm going to bring my 90 to the other side. I got to solve for x, so I got to get it by itself. So the way I bring 90 to the other side, since it's positive, I need to subtract it to the other side. Which 90 minus 90 cancels and turns to 0. 180 minus 90 is 90 degrees. So we have 2x equals 90 degrees. Alright, and the way we bring the 2 to the other side, since it secretly is multiplying to my x, I gotta divide that bad boy on both sides. 2 divided by 2 cancels and turns to 1, and 90 divided by 2 equals 45 degrees. So x equals 45 degrees. Yay! Wasn't that cool? We used trapezoids with parallel lines to help us find angles. I bet you never thought you could do that, but now you know you can. So that's pretty cool. Nice job today, you guys. You killed it. You killed it.